Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about resolution of 2021 for Virgo ascendants. Virgo ascendants, no doubt you are facing a lot of struggle in past 1-2 years. But in 2021, if you design your life, if you plan everything according to your birth chart, according to your transit position, or according to your Mahadasha and Antardasha, you will definitely grow a lot because Jupiter is in your 5th house. In this video, I will let you know about the resolution of 2021 for Virgo ascendants. This is not predictions. I will make another video series. Already I started making videos on yearly predictions, which will be uploaded very soon on YouTube. Maybe within 1 or 2 days, you will able to watch my yearly prediction of 2021 on YouTube. But in this video, I will let you know the resolution, which type of resolution you need to perform, which type of rules and regulations and resolutions you need to perform in 2021 to grow your finance, good health, good marriage life, enjoy with spouse, enjoy with kids, and blessings of your parents, and everything goes well in your life. So listen my video very carefully. If you are Virgo ascendants, number one resolution of 2021, don't ignore anything about any opportunity, because you will get a lot of opportunity by the grace of God in 2021. Don't ignore, don't think negative about any opportunity which came to your way. This is your resolution number one. If you get any opportunity from your near dear, from your friend, from your neighbors, from your anywhere, sit with him, talk with him, understand the opportunities, then you think 1-2 days, then you take decision, yes or no. Otherwise, 80 to 90% you will get lot of opportunities in 2021. If you plan 2021 according to your birth chart, according to your Mahadasha, Antardasha, I am telling you again and again, if you design your plan, if you design your life in 2021 about your finance, about your personal life, about your money, about your job, about your business, import, export, everything, if you plan, if you design as per your birth chart, you will definitely grow beyond your expectations. Because there's a lot of opportunities will come to you. There's a lot of opportunities will knock to you in 2021. And if you ignore that opportunity, if you are not understand, if you are not sit with them, then you will waste very, very productive year of your life. Because 2021 is the biggest positive year, Virgo, for you, because Jupiter Saturn conjunction is in your 5th house, and then after 6th April Jupiter transit in your 6th house till 14th September. Both houses are very good for Jupiter transit. And Saturn, which is a ruling planet of your ascendants, is transit in your 5th house in Trikona Bhav, in own sign. You need to be honest. This is your second revolution of 2021. First, don't ignore any opportunity. If you get any opportunity, if someone wants to meet you and give you any proposal related to business or investment, must sit with them, understand him, talk with him, and then you take 1-2 days to take your final decision. This is your resolution number one. Don't ignore any opportunity. And second, in 2021, you need to focus on your work with full of hard work and dedication, because Jupiter Saturn is in your 5th house, will give you lot of good gains, opportunities. Your good fortune is in your favor. Jupiter Saturn create a dharma karma adhapati yogya in your 5th house. You will become very spiritual, and you must visit temple or Gurdwara every day morning. This is your third resolution of 2021. Before start your day, after take your shower, you must visit temple or Gurdwara Sahib. You will feel miracles in your life. You will feel big change in your life. You will enjoy a lot of monetary gains in 2021. You will feel much relaxed. You will enjoy mental peace in 2021, Virgo. But you need to polish yourself, stay strong from inside, and do your best with others. Because planets are ready to give you very fruitful results in 2021, which is beyond your expectations. But that results you will get if you think positive and do your wonders at your workplace. If you put your 1000% efforts on at your workplace, you will definitely achieve lot of big goals beyond your expectations. Because Trikona Bhav is 5th house, Jupiter Saturn transit whole year. From April to 14 September, Jupiter is in 6th house, aspecting is on 7. If you are plan related anything, any activity related to foreign settlement, then 2021 is your year. Virgo, if you plan to get PR, if you plan to apply PR, if you plan to for work permit, then in 2021 you will get blessed and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. 2021 is your year after design your life. Don't ignore anything. I'm telling you again and again, Virgo, this conjunction never come back in your life in next 20-25 years. You should take advantage of this Jupiter Saturn conjunction is in 5th house in 2021. You have ability to make your life easy and better with the consult of any good astrologer. He will let you know which type of planets, which type of Mahadasha, Antardasha you have in your birth chart. But you need to focus on the things. If you focus on your things, you will definitely achieve beyond your expectations. Planets are regular watching us. We need to perform according to planets. If we need to perform according to planets, then planets are ready to give lot of blessings to us. Our problem is we are always listen the videos of astrological videos or motivational video, but we are not applying all these things in practical life. This is the problem in human. This is the problem in people. They are ready to listen. Oh, yearly prediction. Oh, I want to listen this. But when any astrologer suggests you to chant this mantra or read this Chalisa or visit the temple or Gurudwara Sahib every day morning, you never do. Because you don't have time. Virgo, if you want to growth internally, then you must visit Gurudwara Sahib every day morning. Sit there, listen the kirtan, listening satsang properly. You will feel much relaxed and better. Your soul will purify automatically. Because our soul needs this, but we don't have time. And Jupiter Saturn conjunction is in 5th house, telling you, Virgo, again and again, if you visit any spiritual place, if you visit any religious place like temple or Gurudwara Sahib, you will definitely get blessed with great success in 2021. Your old depression is finished, your old negative thoughts are finished, and you will enjoy very good mental health. You will enjoy very good mental energy. Because a major planet of transit is in your 5th house. And 5th house is connected with your past life. 5th house is a creative house. 5th house is a house of entertainment, sports, kids, love affairs, unexpected gains, monetary gains, gains through stock market, unearned money. This is all 5th house. Guys, if you listen my video, then you must do these 3 revolution apply. Then you must apply these 3 resolution on your life in 2021. I repeat this. First revolution for you, don't ignore any opportunity. If you get any opportunity, if someone want to sit with you or talk with you related to any investment, any proposal, any business investment, you must sit with him, because you will get something from there which is very big. Don't ignore any opportunity. Second, for you, be honest and focus on your work. Don't think negative. What will happen in past 2-3 years, don't plan your life according to that, because now you are in 2021. It will be a biggest year for you, Virgo. Resolution number 3, must visit temple or Gurudwara Sahib every day morning from 1st January 2021 to till 31st December 2021. You must go every day morning whole life. But in 2021, if you become very spiritual or visit the religious place, you will get lot of positive energy. You will get lot of positivity from there. Virgo, you need to polish yourself, because this is your year. Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, these 3 ascendants will be top and sky high if they plan, if they design our life. I would suggest you to everyone, for my Virgo friends, if you want to grow spiritually, financially, personally life, then you must polish yourself. Don't eat non-veg. This is your fourth revolution. Don't drink alcohol. In 2021, you will be grow beyond your expectation. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for you a happy 2021 and I'm looking forward to a great success, Virgo. Jai Hind.